Hello friends, welcome back to the lab session. Today let's learn about three concepts, that is type conversion and ID. Firstly, let's look into the ID. Suppose I have a x variable which is having a value 10. Now if I have to find out in what memory location x is being stored, that is the value 10 is being stored, I can simply say ID of x and it will return the memory location of x. Now x was previously holding 10. Now I'll change x to 5 and now I specify ID of 5. It will be stored, 5 will be stored in a new memory location and not in the memory location in which x equal to 10 was stored. So a new memory location will be created and x value 5 will be stored in that new memory location. Again, if I say x equal to 15 and I specify ID of x, then if a new memory location is created and in it a 15 value is being stored. So anytime you want to find the memory location or where the value has been stored, you have to just specify ID and the variable name, that is the identifier, and the memory location will be displayed. Now let's say x equal to 10. Now the second concept is we want to find out what type of value is being stored in x. So for that we have to specify type and then x. Now it says class int, that is an integer object is stored in x. Now suppose x is having a value 10.2 say. Now type of x will give float. Say now x is having a complex number 3 plus 2j. Now type of x, it will show complex. So this is the type of value stored in the variable x. So we learned ID and we have learned type. Now let's do a type conversion, that is converting from one data type to another data type. Suppose say x is equal to 10. Now I want to convert it into a float. So I specify float of x. I get 10.0, that is in decimal points. Now say let x equal to 19.2. Now I say int of x. It will convert into an integer, that is 19. Now suppose I want to check if x is having a float value. Currently x is having 19.2, which is a float value. Now let me check it. Print is instance x comma float. It will return the value true because x is holding a float value. So we learned ID, we learned ID, then we learned what is type, then we learned is instance, type conversion also we learned. And now let's look into another 2 points which was discussed in the previous session, that was identifiers and keywords. Firstly, to check if a value is an identifier, abc dot is identifier. It will give true because abc is a valid identifier. Now let me say 9xyz is identifier. Now it will return the value false because identifier's starting letter cannot be a number. So it returns false. Now for checking whether it's a valid keyword, we have to import the keyword module. Import keyword and then we have to specify keyword dot iskeyword break. Since break is a valid keyword, it returns the value true. Now let's give an invalid keyword and check. Keyword dot iskeyword jkl. This is an invalid keyword, so it returns the value false. So friends, I think so you're clear about the concepts of ID, type, type conversion, is instance, is identifier and is keyword. In case of any doubts, please do let me know in the comment section. If you like my video, please click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new video. Till then, see you. Bye bye.